Now you have the new Mandelay downloader. Here you can see the new icon. Just double click on it. Sometimes it's giving you an IP address error, but you need to click OK and the system will upgrade itself. Now you need to type in your email address and the password what you are using on the Vibria portal. Click on login. So type in your email address and the password, and if you have any kind of mistyping in your email or in your password, you will get this error. Now you need to click on login, and you need to plug in the device, because without the device, you cannot see the downloader option. And if you have a newer version what you can download, the downloader will tell you there is a new version available of Clasp64. Click on OK. Then you need to click on download. It's starting downloading. Here you can see a lot of information about your account. First, you will see what kind of device you have and what's the serial number of the device. And if you click on information, you will see all of your own device. Like I have my Skio, I have my Q9, I have Clasp64 activated, Clasp Portal activated, and all of my device and software activated. So if you click on the information, you will see how many devices you have in your account and which software module is activated for you. So it's absolutely useful, because if something is missing, you need to contact the office at info@skio-eductor.com. When the download is done, you will see the bar is reached 100%, and now you can click here to install the Clasp64. You need to click on it. Wait a little bit. Yes. You need to choose the language. We have now German, English, Spanish, French, Italiano, Korean, Hungarian, Dutch, Portuguese, and Russian. So you need to choose your language, and the whole installation process will go on that language what you choose. You need to agree, next, next, yes, I need, install. And a new part in this installation for the future, when you do the installation, the system will ask you 3 questions. Let me wait and I will show you. So for the future, if you have the new version and we will release a newer version, you don't need to save or backup all of your client database, all of the additional matrix information, the news apps from the disease dictionary, any kind of extra information what you add to the Clasp64 software. Or if you want to override the old one and you want to use an empty database, of course you can do it. But first, in the first installation, you need to overwrite everything what you have and on this computer. So in this question, in the future, you can click on keep, and it keeps all of your information in the system. But first time, you need to overwrite. And these 3 questions will popping up during the installation. Let me show you the next one. Here is the next one. Click on override, and here is the 3rd one. Click on override. When it's done, you need to click on next, finish. And now the Clasp64 was downloaded.